Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I would like to welcome you all to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I really appreciate you coming back and watching my channel each time that I have a video or whenever you can get to it. I understand we all have busy lives, but you mean so much to me, and if you have not subscribed, why don't you consider subscribing? We have a lot going on with this channel, and there are lots of giveaways, and we've got some going on now. You might want to go check out my channel for those and sign up, so to speak, and subscribe, and you could have an opportunity to win too. But today, guess what we have? We have Celebrate States. Yes, it came today, and we are going to find out what state we're going to. It looks like we're going to, woohoo, Louisiana, Mardi Gras. Wow, that's fabulous. I love that we're getting Mardi Gras already. You know, it's just right around the corner. Oh my goodness. Well, we've got our product card. I'm excited. This is a great box. We've got our items on top here, and then nestled down in there, I want to show this to you guys. Look how they have it decorated for Mardi Gras. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. It's so cool. Yeah, I love this. Wow. Okay. I love Mardi Gras. I even got Mardi Gras fingers on. Yes, or fingernails. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Let's start off with the recipes to feed your soul. Looks like they dropped us some recipes, so there's probably something in here that's going to relate to that, because they do try to find local vendors and popular sites of either an item that you would purchase as a souvenir or food if you want to try some of their goodies out. And then we have Louisiana is a trip, take one day. So it's a guide plan for Louisiana, and they always send us a map and things like that, which I appreciate. And if you have children, sometimes they have maps. It all depends. Sometimes they'll have cartoon ones, sometimes they'll have some that they can color and draw on, but I don't see any of that today. What I see is the history of Louisiana, the state name. It's Pelican State, Creole State, and Sugar State. Its capital is Baton Rouge, and its state flower is Southern Magnolia, which, do y'all remember that movie, Magnolia? They had it set, I think, in Louisiana. So anyways, Louisiana was admitted into the Union as the 18th state, and the earliest settlers were French and Spanish. There are many people who speak French, Cajun, and Louisiana. The language is a mixture of French, English, German, Spanish, with idioms taken from the American Indians and African Americans. Some of the favorite Cajun dishes are gumbo and crawfish. That's a little bit of information. And then on the back side, it's got what is in our box, so we're going to find out. Louisiana is just a great place. If you haven't been there, it's a fun state. New Orleans is really fun, of course, during Mardi Gras. I've been there once during Mardi Gras, and it was really fun. But I want to tell you about Celebrate States. It runs $45.99 a month, and it is about $10 shipping. Shipping has gone up recently due to, you know, shipping's gone up everywhere, and we all know it. So no surprise there, but it's a great subscription. You usually get 6 to 8 items. You'll have maybe 3 or 4 food items, 2 to 3 little gift items. It's a great little box, and you can get 20% off your first order or your order by using Miss Jackie 20. I'll have that down in the bottom, but Dane has given an extended code to my subscribers. If you want to get this box, you can receive it 20% off your first box at celebratestates.com, and it is Miss Jackie 20. So alright guys, let's jump in this box and see what we have. Probably just going to have to grab what I can off top. I kind of recognize this packaging. Have y'all ever seen this brand? Slap Ya Mama. Alright now, it's a Slap Your Mama seasoning. Do you want to slap your mama? Well, I hope not. But anyways, absolutely not. Slap your mama is a funny Cajun and Southern phrase that means something is very good. For example, this king cake is so good it will make you want to slap your mama. Located in Villa Pratt, Louisiana, Slap Your Mama wants to bring you the best of Southern cooking to everyone. You can see all their flavors and spices at their website. But there we go. We've got some Cajun spices, and that's going to be delicious. Have you ever made fish, like broiled fish or something, and you use a little bit of Cajun spice on it? It's delish. All right, guys, let's see what else we have in here. I am pulling out, looks to be like donut shaped, and it's got the Mardi Gras colors. It looks like it may be a bath bomb. Let me see if that's what it is. It says King Cake Bath Bomb. Yep, that's what it is. It's essentially Nola bath bombs. This bath bomb is one of our favorites. We couldn't pack an entire king cake into the box, so we chose King Cake Bath Bomb. It has a baby inside, just like the real king cake, located in Harahan, Louisiana. So that is pretty, and it smells good too. Can't wait to find my baby in there. Our next item that I'm seeing here says Tiger on there, and it's Tiger sauce. They've got it wrapped up, of course, so it wouldn't get broken inside. Pull it right out of there. This is our Tiger sauce. Don't that look good? Yum, yum. Besides the fact that we do love some LSU Tiger football, we also love the Tiger sauce. It is a sweet sauce with a light kick. It is a sweet sauce with a light kick, not too spicy for our Celebrate States family. Then lean forward to the sweeter side of life. Tiger sauce is made and distributed by Riley Food Company out of New Orleans, Louisiana. And we can attest to the mysterious flavor because we finished an entire bottle on a few tacos. It tastes great on everything. Well, that's good to know. We eat some tacos. We have Taco Tuesday here. Sometimes it's on Wednesday. Our next little item here is called Mardi Party. That is the brand, and it's looks like some crackling granola. It's granola. This Mardi Gras themed granola mix was created for an on-the-go nutritious snack to fuel people to live their gnarliest life. Because Granola believes that every human has an adventurous side. Well, that's cute. Our next item is, I wanted to show y'all real quick. They had some beads in there for the Mardi Gras. I should put those on. We're getting in the Mardi Gras mood here. I'm not sure what this is. I thought it was a tea towel. It's got the Mardi Gras information on there. It says CJ's Tees. We're proud of our roots in the boot and believe there's nothing better than a good t-shirt to show it. We're a small locally owned online shop. We have a big heart for our state and everything it represents, for unique Louisiana designs and other styles of CSTs. But I don't think this is a t-shirt. I think I have a tea towel. So I don't know if they ran out of t-shirts or they just make t-shirts and they're showing us a design on a tea towel. It's a little bit confusing, but that's okay. I love this. Isn't that pretty? And it's got the Mardi Gras theme on there. They're really good about staying on with theme. You've got your little crawfishes because I think that's really big down there. And our next item is, let's see, I just had it. At New Orleans Mardi Gras. I don't see this on here. So this just may be a bonus to come with the other stuff that we have. But isn't that cool? It says Mardi Gras, New Orleans. Got the mask on there. So yeah, that's cool. So let's put that on too. I'm just going to be all decorated with Mardi Gras. I don't see information on this. So this just must be something from the state itself. And they just want to throw in some more decoration. We do have one more thing in here. And it is the New Orleans famous praline company. Is located in Mardi, Louisiana, and has been hand pouring pralines since 1996. You can find all of their pralines online. So hey, that looks nifty. I've been showing it to y'all upside down, but this is the famous praline. They're so sweet. So we'll see how I do with that. And if I can't eat it because it's too sweet, my husband will enjoy it. I'm sure of that. Hey guys, this is my wonderful little Louisiana box. I really love that they got this out in time for Mardi Gras. I think that's fantastic. We got our tea towel and all of our decorations on there. We got our tiger sauce that can be used on a lot of things, including tacos apparently. We got our delicious little granola snack mix. We got our Slap Your Mama Cajun spices and seasonings. We got our king cake, so we're going to be able to celebrate with the king cake and the babies inside, it says. And we got our praline from Louisiana, and we got our necklaces and all of our gear. So if I'm headed to New Orleans, I'm going to be all decked out for that and ready for Mardi Gras. So thank you, Celebrate States. What a wonderful box. I really have enjoyed this subscription. This is probably my 9th box. I don't know for certain, but I'm going to say it's right around there. I've been to quite a few states, and I've learned quite a bit from states I've never been to. And then I get to re-enjoy states that I have been to with a little bit of the Mardi Gras right here in Texas. So that's all I have today for Celebrate States. And again, if you're interested in this box and you would like to subscribe, use my code MissJackie20 and you can save 20%. As far as other things that are coming out, I have a Pet Mom box coming out. I have some mint mongoose. I have several things that's here. I've got habitation box coming, Curator. I think I've told y'all this. I've just got a list of boxes, and I've got some Estee Lauder and some Lemon Drop Love products that I want to share with you guys. So lots going on the channel and lots of giveaways. Be sure and check my channel. I've got the 400 subscriber giveaway going on. I don't know when it'll post. You may already be posted, but I have a I won, so you can too giveaway going on. I have 2 surprise giveaways going on currently. You have to watch those videos to find out which ones those are. But we are going to be having some collaborations in the spring. We're going to have the All True Train coming back again and some other surprises. So as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.